Sharia court or panel not recognized under Ekiti law declares State Attorney General as panel seats to resolve marriage disputes. Better, they should not bring any Sharia law into the South at all. They should not bring it here. It should remain in their northern. So the Ekiti state government has said that the existing legal structure in the state does not recognize Sharia court or independent Sharia arbitration panel. Better. This is contained in a statement issued by the State Commissioner for Justice and Attorney General Dayo Akpata San on Thursday. Sahara reporters have reported that the independent Sharia arbitration panel in Ekiti State held its first public sitting at the popular Ojaba Central Mosque, Ado Ekiti. So they've allowed them to have a court in Ekiti State. Can you imagine? Which area public sitting is that? They should send these people back to where they are coming from, because I don't understand Sharia panel that they are doing in Ekiti State for what? This was confirmed to Sahara reporters by residents of the state and Professor Ishak, this Murik man. Professor Ishak Akitola, the executive director of the Muslim Rights Concern, Murik, an Islamic human rights organization, stating that the inaugural sitting of the Sharia panel was held last Thursday. Sahara reporters learned further that the panel was presided over by 3 Qadis, Imam Abdullah Abdul Muttalib, Imam Abdurrahim Junaid Bamidbola, and Dr. Ibrahim Aminullahi Ogunride, who entertained 2 marriage-related disputes. During the first trial, the head of the panel, Imam Abdullah Abdul Muttalib, announced that the dispute between the couple was resolved through a consent judgment. This resolution was facilitated by earlier interventions from family members, which paved the way for a peaceful settlement. But the panel adjourned the second trial to January 30 for a continuation hearing. The case involved allegations by a wife accusing her husband of neglecting his marital responsibility. The panel explained that the adjournment would allow additional investigations to ensure a fair decision. The sitting of the panel came amid a series of opposition from groups against implementation of Sharia law in the southwestern region of Nigeria, but people have allowed them to do a sitting already. They've done their sitting, they're already judging case. Reacting, the State Attorney General said the panel is illegal and has no constitutional backing. That's what people will say. Instead of people to do the right thing and pursue them back to where they are coming from, they are saying it's illegal. They are already sitting, they are already postponing matter, they are already adjourning case to January 30, and people are there, you are saying it is illegal. The Attorney General said there is an existing legal structure in the state that has been handling issues relating to Islamic, Christian, and traditional marriages and inheritance without any rancor. There's already a court to do that. So I don't understand why they are coming with their own court again. What is it? He said there's an existing legal structure in Ekiti State, a customary court, customary court of appeal and high court, that has been handling issues relating to Islamic, Christian, and traditional marriages and inheritance without any rancor or agitation. He cautioned against activities that could negatively affect the state government's policies of peaceful coexistence among residents, saying government will not compromise on any action that may hinder the prevailing peace and foster hostility in the state, but government is looking. Government was there till they established their courts, till they did their sitting. Did they judge the case? Government did not do anything about it. They are looking. The AG said the independent Sharia arbitration panel is not in the judicial structure of the state, noting that arbitration and/or mediation issue is quasi-judicial matter which is regulated by law in the state. Akpata said the Sharia courts in the north are equivalent to the customary courts in the southern part of Nigeria, wherein appeals from Sharia courts in the north go to Sharia Court of Appeal. The state similarly has customary court of appeal that hears appeals from the customary courts. The AG said that the state high court and all other courts also have arbitration and mediation mechanism. He said customary courts and the customary court of appeal can effectively take care of any customary issues arising from Yoruba traditional marriages, Islamic marriages, especially the ones that were not backed up by the statutory marriages, which can only be dissolved by the state high courts throughout Nigeria. According to him, the government is not unmindful of the fact the race for the 2026 governorship election is gathering momentum in Ekiti State, And opposition members who cannot force the performance of the state government have resorted to all sorts of unethical practices, and people are watching them. The AG advised religious leaders to be wary of being used as tools by politicians and fifth columnists, because the government will not hesitate to invoke the full weight of the law to protect the constitution of the federation and maintain peaceful coexistence in the state. What is the government looking? Who gave them the place to be using as the place of their sitting? Who gave them? Government is looking till they did everything that they did, till they form a panel, till they judged a case of a woman that went to report the husband, and they adjourned it. People did not do anything about it. Now wow, Arome Samade just says, then they should be arrested. As well, they are looking. Adeyinka Johnson says, if assuming the Sharia law was really fair and transparent in the north, by probing the allied politicians in the north, the way they cut off the less people who stole fowls and other offences, all Nigerians would embrace Sharia law without hesitation. Sharia law was designed to enslave the poor and turn them to hooligan terrorists, kidnappers, cultists, and destroy their career in the future. We saw all the poorest states in the north, how they were useless and never be useful to the society. Abi? So I don't understand your Sharia law that you are bringing when there is a customary court. You want to be solving issues that has to deal with Muslims. Don't you have a court? But I don't understand. Fazil Bo said it's only in Nigeria that two opposing systems of government is practiced in one country, yet they tell us about peace and unity. It is only in Nigeria that Sharia law works side by side with constitutional law, and those that call themselves patriotic Nigerians did not see anything wrong about it. They register Nigeria as a member of Organization of Islamic Countries. Is this an Islamic country? Those that claim educated Nigerians somehow bend their heads in the sand like the ostriches. They see no evil. They hear no evil. When we say we want to go our separate ways, not because we hate anybody, we want to go our separate ways because we want to preserve our lives, our tradition, cultures, and value system. We don't want to be part of this colonial time bomb called Nigeria. Our rivalry tribes, religion, traditions, cultures, and value system will always make a cohesive, united, peaceful, and workable Nigeria impossible. The earlier we go our separate ways peacefully and develop on our respective pace, will be better for all of us than massacring ourselves and still go our separate ways. Do you get? Instead of resorting to, well, let's just come and go jejely. Those brains is giving at least a little sense. It's expected. Abi? Because I don't understand. If I Nelson says if the Sharia is working, then North could have been a better place. But reverse is the case. Let's face the reality and forget the religious court that only affects the poor masses. I'm telling you, they should not allow these things to stand. They should not at all. How did they come in the first place and have a place to do their panel? How? My listeners, over to you. Leave your thoughts in the comment section. Don't forget to like, to share, and subscribe. Thank you for listening. See you some other time. Bye.